Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by targeting the exact skills DeepMind hires for: strong math and ML foundations. Start concrete. Pick 2 focused projects, one RL and one supervised deep model, and ship reproducible code. While building, publish concise write-ups and small demos so reviewers can reproduce results in minutes. Once done, organize projects in a clear repo with README, training logs, and simplest scripts to run. Make sure to track results, hyperparameters, and why design choices matter for each experiment. You now move from projects to research-level depth. Re-implement a recent DeepMind paper, then extend it with a meaningful ablation or novel idea so you understand trade-offs. Document why your change matters. While iterating, contribute to related open-source repositories and seek targeted research internships or collaborations to show teamwork. Once you have artifacts, reach out to researchers with a short, specific summary and linked reproducible demo. Make sure your message explains what you found and why it aligns with their work. You finalize by tailoring applications precisely to the role. Highlight relevant papers, reproducible projects, and measurable results. Prepare interviews with a balanced routine, daily coding, weekly paper presentations, and mock system design sessions so you can explain how and why you chose methods. During interviews, narrate trade-offs and failure modes candidly. If you don't progress, ask politely for feedback, update projects addressing cited gaps, and reapply in 3 to 6 months. This cycle shows growth and responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.